Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But certainly after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, which, factored very much so into today's price movement. So right here at 1960, I've talked about in past videos as that resistance, but with the gap up on it this morning, you would ideally want to see it act as support. And that first 30 minutes, you can see right there, price went down there, bounced beautifully off of it. And then later on, the price got down around that area once again and has held strong. And 1960 in my mind is very, very important. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to explain why I would consider it a very important level is if the price goes back to that level and then falls below it and continues on down, well, at that point, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price continues to behave like it's already behaved and stays above this level, and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards, well, at that point in time, you'd have set of lows there, you'd have a low there, you'd have those lows, you envision those as stair steps, and then hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So for those reasons is why I would definitely consider 1960 an important area of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here at all. It is all about that pink line, which is the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at $20.80. But yeah, monster movement, and then surprise, surprise, right up around that area is right where the price got rejected from. So I'm not saying the price can never break above it. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did get rejected from that area. And then also, that'll be the area where the price really is going to need to bring its A game to fight up through those levels. But all in all, nice way to start off the week. Good solid volume. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.